The Options Day program is a day filled with fun elective classes that will complement your child's education.
I loved when I first signed up my kid that not only we had on-site classes, but that they allowed the moms to stick around.
Options Day offers 4 classes in one day in select locations throughout the state. It is provided free of charge for students in grades K through 8 who enroll with one of Harmony's partner public schools.
My son, Israel, is a big social butterfly, and we still wanted to homeschool and get the whole social aspect. So I really like that one day a week he can go and just learn fun things and be with friends.
I also like that we have a big party on the last day.
Your children will get to interact with other amazing students in meaningful classes like karate, sewing, ballroom dance, cooking, art, drama, and speech and debate.
Another thing that I loved is that he signed up for an art class and it wasn't really his thing, and we didn't realize this till like halfway through the year. And I asked, is there any chance that maybe we could try science? And they said, sure, what, next day of class he can start science, and he loved it. And I thought, wow, so flexible. So that was really neat.
These classes are often worth hundreds of dollars each year, saving your family money. Harmony Educational Services provides them free to students enrolled in Harmony through one of our partner public schools.